It's sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
I got a paintbrush in my hand because I've been like painting, but I just really enjoyed everything. It was so fun. Like I had custom lights up under here. I started to leave them, but I figured that I'd give the new owner a chance to do what she wanted to do. But I'm glad because I always knew what I had. Like that's the thing. Like I never took this for granted. Like I knew that having this closet and being able to do it the way I wanted to and to customize it and it be mine, I knew that it was special. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Macy. Hey guys, hey, what's up? How are you guys doing? Hope you all are doing well. So as you guys can tell down in the title of the video, I have a new moving vlog for you. So if you've been watching, you already know what's going on. Your girl is moving. If you are new, hello, hi. I'm moving out of my current home that you see me in right now. We have been in our home for a little over 8.5 years, decided to sell, and now we are in the process of getting a new house built. Now, I am cleaning up in this video. We are nearing our closing date on this home, and so I just wanted to share with you guys me cleaning, doing all this stuff. And in this video, I'm deep cleaning the bathrooms, I'm vacuuming, just doing a lot of different things. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, so the bathroom is all sparkly clean. I left that little flower there for them. Everything is cleared out. It's so echoey. There's that lampshade. Yeah, I mean, everything is gone. Like, I cleaned, I mopped, and everything looks good. The tub is clean. I really like that shower head. And all the lights are clean. All right, guys, that is it. So in this portion of the video, you're just going to see me doing an overview of the rooms, making sure everything is okay. I did do a little bit of spot painting in here, as well as in my closet, because there were some areas that I wanted to do touch-ups on. On the gray portion of the wall, I did paint a little bit in there. I also vacuumed. And then coming out of the bedroom, I did want to check the linen closet just to make sure that there wasn't any tiles left over, papers, pictures. I know when I was checking the rooms earlier, I was finding pictures, papers, pencils, and so I just wanted to make sure that I had got everything up. Now I'm doing just a quick overview in Caden's room, just making sure that there's nothing left inside of his room. And then this was like my homeschool room, and I'm just checking to make sure that there aren't any stains or spots on the carpet. I did vacuum in there though, so it looks pretty good. And then going into Chelsea's bathroom, I just wanted to check and make sure that she cleaned everything thoroughly, which I was very proud of her. She did such an amazing job. She cleaned her mirror, and I was just so pleased with what she done. And then I'm just looking at the the walls and checking everything, doing a quick overview, looking down the hallway, checking the walls, making sure everything looks okay. And then this was my laundry room. I did sweep, I mopped in there. I didn't get to spot paint just because I am completely out of time cleaning at this point. And I did vacuum the loft really good. I did a little bit of spot painting in there as well, but everything looks really nice. There are no stains. And then checking in Chelsea's room, she did a good job again, just vacuuming her floor. We also shampooed the carpets as well to make sure that they were fresh and clean. And then in Chelsea's room, I was just checking her closet, making sure she didn't leave any makeup behind, any eyeliner. So everything looks really good, guys. Okay, everyone, so that's going to be the end of this video. If you like what you see, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and check out the previous moving vlogs if you need more motivation. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.